Hello and welcome. I'm Bill Miller from Brentwood, and today we're here to discuss the CL80 cellular inlet louver. The CL80 is Brentwood's newest inlet louver and builds upon the decades of experience Brentwood has providing louvers to the cooling tower industry. The CL80 is a versatile product and was designed as a drop-in replacement for towers that use either 3.2-inch or 2.5-inch air travel depth louvers, and therefore covers the majority of cooling towers on the market. The rigorous design process for the CL80 included use of CFD modeling in order to minimize pressure drop and thus maximize performance. As a matter of fact, the 3.2-inch CL80 has equivalent pressure drop to the 2.5-inch CL100. This means that you get all of the improvements in louver performance without a penalty on tower capability. The air pathway design also provides a vast improvement on site path blockage over older designs. This improves splash-out performance and also reduces and prevents sunlight intrusion into the cold water basin to help prevent algae growth. The CL80 also features a nesting design that prevents bypass between adjacent modules and provides a seamless installation. And like the CL100, the CL80 is available as either individual modules or as an assembled framed louver panel so that it can fit your tower, whatever its make, model, or size. At Brentwood, we're constantly applying the knowledge from our years of experience to bring you the best products on the market and to be a provider of solutions to your problems. The CL80 is the latest example of that. If you've got a tower with splash-out problems, let the CL80 be your solution. Thank you for joining us for another Tech Refresh. Please check out our website to learn more about the CL80 and other Brentwood products. Until next time, keep it cool.